closing the case, the judge said that in his evidence, Antony Bolaños had admitted receiving a wanted notice from a former RGP colleague back in 2022. He said that he shared it with his lawyer, James Levy, soon after, and that he was entitled to do so. Judge Matthew Happold said it was for the jury to decide whether they thought it was reasonable for him to believe this. He said it was the defendant's testimony that he was being persecuted for having revealed evidence of wrongdoing and corruption in the force, and that he was seeking to defend himself in sharing the notice with his lawyer. He said Bolaños hadn't wanted to comment on the contents of a telephone call he'd had with the Hassan's senior partner before sharing the file, adding, "Of course, we've not heard from Mr. Levy." The judge asked the jury to consider all the evidence in the case, saying there was no room for speculation. And after less than an hour's deliberation, they'd reached their decision. Having been directed to issue a verdict of not guilty on count 1, they found Bolaños guilty on the remaining 2 charges. Before releasing the 9 jurors, Judge Matthew Happold thanked them for their important decision and for having done their duty. He then went straight to sentencing, issuing a £500 fine on each count. The guilty verdict comes after what has been a contentious trial.